Hey you, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today I am here to finally announce the winner of my 5K giveaway, and we only have one winner, so I think I'm just going to, all right, we only have one winner. um, Only one person to follow the directions of the rules that were listed. So I'm just going to announce the winner today of the Beauty Over 40 hoodie. Wait a minute, let me back up. Before I do that, I just want to say I apologize. I meant to make this announcement sooner than I'm doing today, but upon getting sick, I was sick for a while, and still the recovery is a process, and also starting a new job. I kind of put that on the back burner. So thank you guys for your patience and continuing to support me. I really appreciate that. So the winner, and I'm just going to send her both of these items because no one else followed the rules. So she's going to get the Beauty Over 40. She's going to get, as you can see, it's brand new, tags on it, Beauty Over 40 hoodie. And y'all, I'm not tooting my own horn, but when I tell you these hoodies are so comfy, and this year, I mean, not this year, but this time of year is the perfect time to pull out your favorite hoodie and just rock it. I have personally have two myself. They are so comfortable. I do love the tees as well, but these hoodies, they are so comfortable. I really, really do love them. I'm thinking about making another one because I did make a openly gray tee that's now available on my Beauty Over 40 platform through via Teespring. So I'm thinking about also making the openly gray hoodie. So for her being the only one that followed the rules, Miss Evelyn, you are going to receive the Beauty Over 40 hoodie and then also the advanced night repair. So these will be sent out to you pretty soon, between this week and next week. So I forgot where I left off because I got a phone call. But so no one else but Evelyn put her name here, Miss Evelyn. So if you see this video, I will give you a week to respond. If you can, find me on Instagram, which you should be following me. I did check. Message me on Instagram with your mailing information so I can send you your goodies. If I don't receive a reply within a week, then I'll just keep it for another giveaway because there was no runner-up or anything. So yeah. But while I have you guys here, I would like to ask a favor. One of my favorite artists is now having a contest. Actually, he posted it today. For you guys that have been following me for a while, you guys know I love Mint Condition. I love Stokleys. Well, Stokleys has released a new album. He released his new album on the 17th, which was this past Friday, and he announced today that he is having a giveaway for some swag that he has come out with to promote his album and just his solo career. I would like to ask if you could guys, and what I would do is put the link to his post underneath this video, and once you guys go over to his handle on Instagram, let him know that LRH Makeup sent you, and let him know that I asked you to stream Clouds. So I will put all of that information down below. Again, Evelyn, reach out to me on Instagram to send me your information. And that is it for this video, guys. All right, so that's it for this video. So if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRH Makeup, and also TikTok, LRH Makeup as well. And then my second handle on TikTok is _Beauty Over 40. Give me a follow over there as well. And of course, if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. Turn on post notifications. That way you will be notified when I upload new content. All right, guys, until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.